Hi, I'm Sherry from Primary Reading and Math, and today's video is aimed at parents who want to help out their child at home, whether that be helping their child develop from a very early age. A month old is not too young, or whether that's helping your elementary school child learn phonics or math, or your older student. I'm going to give you some basic tools, and they are not expensive. So the first thing that I would recommend is, especially for little ones, is just basic things like this, just a basic toy. And you would think that this is no big deal. However, you can do all kinds of learning with this. You can teach them size. This is the smallest. This is the largest. You can teach them colors. You can teach them that this is a circle. It is round. It is smooth. It's also good for their motor skills. Okay, the next thing is whiteboards. I cannot tell you how wonderful whiteboards are. I got these from Amazon, I think a pack of 5 or 6. They came with with dry erase markers that are magnetic, so you won't lose it. They also came with these awesome magnets. And let me show you. When I teach for VIP Kids, sometimes I use these as rewards. And so if I'm going to reward the Black Panther, he's got this awesome magnet on the back here, and it is the sturdiest thing I've ever seen. So this is not going anywhere. That was just a freebie with these particular ones. You don't have to have that. If you decide you want to use magnets, you can get them in chunks like that. They also come in rolls, and they're not expensive. You can get those at the teacher store or on Amazon. The most expensive thing I got when I started to do this is these magnetic letters. I like these rather than the plastic ones because the magnet takes up the entire back. They are soft and squishy. If you drop a whole bunch of these, they're not going to make so much noise that you wake up somebody in the next room. So I like those the best. And if your child is doing my basic reading classes, you're going to see a lot of that where I move the letters around to teach the phonics, to teach the different sounds, to teach sound blending, to teach sound substitution. If I have BED and I take the B away and I put an N there, I have NED, I have net, I have somebody's name. And I'm going to make that a capital because people are important and we need to capitalize their names. Simple lessons like that. Flashcards. I got these and I cut them up myself. Make sure that you use cardstock. You can get cardstock either Amazon or the office supply store. Cardstock is firmer than plain paper. I accidentally printed this on plain paper. It's not going to last, so it'll do for now. An ABC chart is really good to have if you are teaching children like from 2 to 5. Also, note cards. I use these for my sight words, and repetition is the most important thing there. So besides these tools, I do have one website that I want to, or not a website, an app that I want to recommend to you. And I'm just going to tell you, I don't get any kickbacks from anything because I'm 59 years old. I don't know how to do that. If you would like to teach me how to get kickbacks from these things, please tell me because that would be awesome. Handwriting is big deal. And making letters properly is so important. I see so many children making their letters from the bottom up or from right to left. It is not efficient. It's just bad. So if you see your child doing that, please stop them. A simple app that I recommend to a lot of parents as a diagnostician is Writing Wizard. It's WRITING WIZARD, and you can find that in the App Store. If you want to take a look at it before you buy it, and I always recommend that, I would go to YouTube and find Writing Wizard and see a demonstration of it first. I really like it because it forces the child to make their letters correctly. If they make it wrong, they don't get to play the game that comes afterwards. You can have them learn their shapes, simple shapes. You can let them learn letters and numbers, how to make those. And then it's also good for spelling because you can put their weekly spelling tests in there. Or if your school or if your homeschool does not do spelling, then sight words, whatever you want to put in there, or even their name you can put in there. I think that's all I have for now. If you have any questions, any subjects that you would like me to discuss, please put them in the comments below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a little encouragement to keep going on this. I've only been doing this for a month, and hopefully I will continue to get better. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.